guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I review, not really, yeah, I guess review, do a look, this look here using the Conspiracy palette. I picked this up because I happened to see it was back in stock. So if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on the palette, go ahead and continue watching. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is round two, like I probably said in my intro. This is the unicarton of the Conspiracy palette. So bothered by messing up that video, but it's okay. And then this is the palette here. And it's definitely not like cheap packaging or anything. It's not commonly what I would probably gravitate towards. I like brass, silver, things like that. Here are the shade colors. Very pretty, a very wearable palette, which is also pretty cool. You have so many different looks that you can do with this palette, and then you have pops of color to make it like really fun. So I don't know, I don't feel like doing the same look I already did. If you watch my BoxyCharm video that isn't out yet, or my tanning video, I did that look, just a halo eye, nothing crazy, but let's see. So I think I'm just gonna start with like cheese dust here in my crease and just wing it because I have no idea what I'm doing. I know I'm not gonna put on lashes because I did that in my original video that I did, and I don't feel like dealing with it today, so I'm not. Please excuse the quarantine hair. It's getting there. I try to spruce it up. Okay. I would like to say, I think I brought up in my last video, I do wish there was like another deeper transition color. You have the Tanacon and the Diet Root Beer, and not that they're the same color, but I feel like we could have had like a deeper color thrown in there other than the black, because not everybody wants to deepen up their look with black. It's kind of intimidating. It can get out of control really, really quick. So I wouldn't have minded like another like darker brown, whether it be cool tone or warm tone. Maybe even a cool tone dark brown would have looked really good with some of these shimmers that they put in here. This is a good summery palette too. I'm gonna go ahead and toss that on the lower lash line. See what I mean? Like a cool tone brown with sleep paralysis and Illuminati would be really, really pretty. Even spiraling would make some fun looks. You do have Not a Fact where you can deepen it up. It's like a very dark berry tone. Okay, so now that I have that on like both eyes, I really want to use Sleep Paralysis. So I think what I'm gonna do, because I don't want it dark in my inner corner, is I'm gonna take my finger and go into Just a Theory and start that on the inner corner and then have it blend into Sleep Paralysis. Blocking you with my hand. So even if you just use that as a transition and then went in with this, like I'll put it all over the lid to show you. Sloppily put it on there. Like, could be really, really cute and wearable. Okay, so just using the same finger and dipping into Sleep Paralysis. So pretty. So that is it so far. I think I'm gonna go ahead and jump into spiraling as well. Let's just do it. Oh yeah, that's a lot darker. Pretty. It may look kind of crazy right now, just bear with me. I got this under control, I think. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a clean blender brush and kind of brush over this real quick. Smooth it out. Jumping into the original cheese dust color. I'm gonna take this little flat brush and I'm gonna jump into Not a Fact down here, the berry color, and just tuck that into the lower lash line. So I think I'm going to use a little bit of the berry tone again, right on the outer V, just to marry the top and the bottom together. That made like a really cool purple. So I'm gonna take my blending brush and just blend over the entire look. I'm gonna take a little bit of Tannicon to my lower lash line. I'm gonna take a little bit of Ranch and hit my inner corner with that color right there. It's a pretty color. I'm gonna put on mascara real quick just to see how I'm digging the look. Sometimes I add more after I do that. I really feel like this look could use the lash, but I'm not doing it. Wait a minute. No, I'm not doing it. All right, so this is the completed look. With just mascara, I used my Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Mascara. I love this mascara, guys. It gives you such a nice full lash, so definitely check it out. And then I use NYX Nude Lip Pencil, and then Mannequin Jeffree Star. I got the little Morphe set with a couple glosses and 2 lipsticks in it. But I really like how the look turned out. The colors didn't really muddy together at all, and I didn't really expect them to, but sometimes when you have such a, not a wild variety, but when you go in with like a super, not well put together, but a lot of palettes are put together in a manner so it just makes sense and it's easy for you to pull together a look. This one you kind of have to like pick and choose with what pops of colors and different, you know, things like that. Not that I went huge into the pops of color, but you got to be mindful of what you're putting and pairing together for it not to become muddy. But these just, they blended very nicely. There's no muddiness at all. I like the look I was able to create. So I'm not disappointed. It's $58. I mean, I bought this knowing that I was gonna do a video with it and that my niece wanted to check it out. She's just now getting into makeup, so I was like, yo, you mind if I film a look real quick and sanitize it for you? So she's like, absolutely, love it, great. So obviously this is like round 2, probably even still sold out again. I think he came out with another collection. I think that, I don't know. I think that you can do a lot of fun looks and travel with this palette. I think it'd be a great summer palette. That being said, you could even do a nice fall look with it with, you know, Tanacon or Diet Root Beer in that berry color. Even What's the Tea, that like nice like blue color could be like a fun fall look. So I don't know, it's a pretty versatile palette for being, you know, Shane Dawson. He really did kind of put together a pretty cool, cohesive, all year round palette, and I really, really like that. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching round number 2 of me trying to test this out. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Leave comments down below of any looks that you want to see. Check out some other videos on my channel. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.